Hi, I'm Glenn with Delta Scientific. I'm a master technician here, work in the field most of the time, and occasionally you'll see me here on YouTube. I'd like to introduce you to our hydraulic power unit today. This is one of our basic Delta systems. We can do these in 3 horsepower, 5 horsepower. Approximately 20-gallon reservoir, running with a 1900 PSI pressure switch, braided steel hoses, and a single accumulator that holds approximately 5 gallons of hydraulic pressurized oil. This one is set up for a Bollard system. It's got a pressure filter, and down here it's got what's called EFO solenoids, or emergency fast operate solenoids. When this system's under pressure, it can bring the Bollards up in approximately 2.5 seconds. Pressure gauge shows you when we've got adequate pressure for running the system. Never open any hoses when there's hydraulic pressure on this gauge. Disconnect power, open the bypass valve, making sure there is 0 pressure on the gauge before you open any hoses. On this system, it takes from the reservoir, brings it through the pump, through the pressure filter, and pumps it back into the accumulator where it's stored, ready for action. When the bollards are ready to be deployed, this directional valve energizes, pushing the oil out under pressure, bringing the bollards up. Then, when the bollards are commanded down, this shifts the opposite direction, and the oil is sent back out to the bollard, pushing the bollard down again, and the oil from the bollards return to the reservoir each time, ready for the next cycle.
Drop a comment below with the question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.